Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to connect a controller to this laptop. First of all, you have to click right here to open the control center, then go to Bluetooth icon and turn on your Bluetooth by switching this toggle to the right. Then you're gonna have to put your controller into pairing mode, and for example, if you have a DualSense controller, then you can put it into pairing mode by pressing the PlayStation button and Create button at the same time until the lights start throbbing on your controller. As you can see, it already does. Then we have to click Pair New Device and then select the DualSense wireless controller from the list. And this way you connect your controller to your laptop. Now, if you have an Xbox controller, you can do basically the same thing, except for you have to select Pair New Device, then turn on your Xbox controller by pressing the Xbox logo button right here, then start holding down the Pair button, which is located in this spot, and just hold it down until this device appears on the list right here, and then select it just like the DualSense controller, and this way you will connect an Xbox controller to your laptop. Now, if you go to Bluetooth devices and select your controller, you can forget it by selecting this icon right here, and this way you'll completely disconnect this controller from your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.